So in this video, I'm going to look at some modelling in here. There's not a lot of shape to create as such. It's more a tonal issue. So again, you need to be comparing these in real life. My phone is not really capturing the iPad colours so well. It's making this look really purple and so on. But tonally, this is quite a lot lighter than this. So I'm going to try and lighten that up. I've got a clean brush, relatively clean, because I need this to stay, not be a muddy type of colour. It's a blue-green. So I'm going to use my primary cyan. I'm going to throw a little bit of white in it. And the great thing about this is all I need to do, I don't really have to be a big artist. I just need to check, is it lighter or darker? Well, that's darker. So I need to add a little bit more white. So I add a little bit more white. I don't really need to desaturate this colour, I don't think. Let's try again. So I'll bring it up a little bit closer to you so you can sort of see. What have we got here? No, not white enough. I put the titanium white in. It's a very gluggy colour, as I said before. I may have gone too white here. Definitely is a tone lighter. I'm just going to pick just a little bit of my blue, and I'll start again. So I've got quite a bit of white there, and I think that's probably a little bit on the light side now. I've got quite a bit of white coming out of my brush, so I'll grab a bit more blue and put that in. Yeah, so these brushes hold a lot of paint, and sometimes you mix things up, but then when you actually paint, it comes out quite heavily influenced by the colour that's sitting inside the brush. Look, I'm happy with that. See how it's making it lighter? That's all I'm doing. And I'm going to watch this over time and see if this is taking me in the right direction. Nice horizontal brush strokes because I want this to look flat. I'm going to come down a bit because, in fact, the yellow, you see how I rotate the brush as paint goes from one side to the other. Look, this is quite a, I'm just going to put this blue very thinly on top of the yellow and see if I can get the sort of lightning result that I want. I think it's working all right. Always have the option of just rubbing back a bit at the bottom if I want that yellow to come through a little bit more. But look, I'm pretty happy with that. It has certainly lightened it, which is what I wanted. And I'll sit now and see what I've got. Okay, so that's the sky. We've done the ocean, the clouds, and the sky.